Hi everybody, this is Sarah. I want to show you how to create these fun little wooden sequined Christmas tree ornaments or tags pretty quickly, and they're fun, and you could use that to decorate the front of a card or to put on a gift or decorate one of the little boxes with extra cards in it and everything. So I'm going to start off one of these wood cutout Christmas trees, but you could definitely do this with chipboard or a piece of cardboard even, and just make sure that you leave room to write on the back of it. And so the first thing I'm going to do is ink this so that if there are any gaps in the tree, it doesn't show through. And here, let me show you how pretty this is. It's nice and sparkly. All right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put some ink on this. I'm going to do the tree stem. I'm just using some pigment ink here, brown. I'm going to do the green on the underneath the tree. So I just have these little pigment inks I picked up at a garage sale, actually, from close to my heart, and they're great. All right, that's good enough. So that's enough there to cover it, and I'm just leaving the back blank, but you could definitely put a piece of paper on there. I'm just gonna leave it blank. Okay, so to turn this into an ornament, take your hole punch, and this is kind of small, so I'm gonna use the small side of the hole punch and punch a hole near the top. Okay, and it's up near the top. That hole is punched out. And now all I need to do is decorate it. So first thing I'm going to do is put down some glue, and I'm using glossy accents because that'll keep the sequins nice and bright if it gets on them. Put down some glue, and you're going to, of course, have some sequins ready. And then I also used a little package of rhinestones. So have some sequins ready, and you're gonna pick your sequin color. So this one I did kind of a green background with white over the top of it, and some multi-colors. And this one I think I'm going to do silver and white and gold. So I'm gonna pick out some big silver ones. Let me see here. There's the gold. There's more silver. Cover this with glossy accent. So here I finished covering the cutout with the glossy accents, and I'm just arranging the sequins on the bottom and using that gem picker tool to scooch them around a little bit. And for this one, I'm just putting different colors on. I made a mistake there with that red sequin, but just putting the different colors on and kind of an alternating pattern, and really trying just to cover it up. The glossy accents is thick enough that the sequins can overlap and really stick well, so it'll be sturdy once it's dry. So once this initial layer is on, then we'll go ahead and add the rhinestones and put on another layer of sequins and some more rhinestones to really build up the texture and shininess of this embellishment. Okay, so this is now dry enough to go to the next step, and making sure I can, sorry, it's glowing in the shining in the light. So I'm going to come in here with my sequins now, or my rhinestones, and add to this. So I'm just going to drop some more of the glossy accents on the holes where the sequins are. And if you have the kind they're not stitchable sequins, then of course you don't need to worry. You can just put it towards the middle. So I'm just dropping in a rhinestone with my little gem pecker there over each of the holes in the sequins, right where I put that drop of glossy accents. And then I'll come back through and put in some additional sequins on to, again, fill it out and put in some more different colored rhinestones as well. Okay, so to attach this next layer of sequins, I go ahead and pick them up and put a dollop of, or a drop, I should say, of the glossy accents on the back, and then just place them where I think they kind of fill out the tree a little bit better. And then, again, I'll put some rhinestones on top of those also towards the end. Maybe you're lucky and you already have pre-planned packets of sequins and you don't have to pick through them like I do, but I just got this off this. I will say this is probably about a year ago, and tedious out the colors of sequins I want for whatever project I'm doing. Picking out anyway, sequin and rhinestone, and next step is more most time. I've sped this up quite a bit, but each tree probably takes me about 20 minutes to assemble. Deciding on the colors and playing a little bit and picking out the different rhinestones and things. Certainly, if you already have that conceived in your head and you're not just making different ones like I am, you have a more of assembly line, then this would go a little bit faster. I really like how these trees turned out, and here's my forest of trees, sequin trees I created with this project. I hope you all try this, and if you do, tag me on Instagram at Sarah C. Berry, and I'd love to see what you did. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like this content. And thank you all. I hope you have a great holiday and enjoy the craft season. Bye.